Sketching is more than just drawing. It's a powerful tool to reset your mind, unlock new ideas, and change the way you see the world. It helps you reflect, capture moments, and find creativity in everyday life. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes a day to start feeling the benefits of sketching. Hey guys, my name is Kyle Aaron Parson. I'm a graphic designer, top teacher, and someone who's constantly figuring out how to stay creative in a world full of distractions. When things start to feel overwhelming or my mind gets cluttered, I come back to one simple tool, my sketchbook. In this class, I'm going to share with you 4 fun and easy sketch practices that you can start using today. These are some of the exercises I use to break free from distractions, clear my head, and get back into a creative flow. This isn't about being perfect or creating polished artwork. It's about showing up, exploring, and giving yourself the freedom to create again. We'll start by looking at the real benefits of a daily sketch practice and how it can support your creative well-being. Then I'll guide you through simple, practical ways to build a habit that fits into your day so that you can stay inspired, focused, and creatively energized. I can't wait to see you in class.